Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander. And on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would remove the door panel. So to start with, on removing the door panel, there is a cover place we need to remove here. We need to pop the window switch cover off here, and there's a little cover here. There's some bolts behind there that we need to be able to remove. Your tool, you can pop that cover off, and then right in there, with a good small flat blade, be able to pop this cover open, which we have a screw right there, and then we've got to get this off. So next, after we've uncovered this and uncovered that, to be able to remove that screw, we're going to want to pop this cover up and off using our good non-marring tool. We just come into the back here, and if you can just pop it up, and then once you get it up, we can pop it out. It's got this tab and it goes up in that way. And so once we get it out like that, then we have some electrical connectors to unhook. And we unhook that, and we can set those to the side. Now we'll undo these screws and that one there, and these two and the one up top, and then we can pull the whole door panel off the vehicle. We've got this cover here we're going to want to pop off. And we just pop the cover off. And now we're going to work around the vehicle. If you feel down around here, there's a little opening here to start in. Okay, so we worked our way around. We've popped all of the push pin clips that hold it together. And then there will be some connectors we got to undo on the back side. So inside here we have, for the lock and the handle, you just have to pop these. And then we have these two electric connectors. And one more down here for that light on the bottom. And that's how you'll remove your door panel. So that's how you remove your door panel from your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.